Hello everyone, friends. My name is Igor. I've been trading binary options for over 12 years. Today I'll show you my trading session with the Quotex broker. The plan for today is to recover losses. I need to earn about $110 to recover losses from the previous trading session. And let's get to it. We're trading based on support and resistance levels. Expiration time is 5 minutes. The bet amount is $50. I'll switch to a 5-minute time frame. And let's see what we have and where we have it, most importantly. Australian dollar, I'll open a long position. We have a small support zone, well, basically a small sideways channel. British pound yen, we have a local maximum. I'll open a short position. I'm waiting for the price to reverse downwards. Euro Canadian dollar, I'll open a long position. There's a support zone on the chart, places where this zone is clearly visible. Reversals are seen, and I expect the price to go higher now. Euro Canadian dollar, I'll probably also open a long position. Here we have it is highly probable that we are looking at a mirror level. Here we had a significant zone of resistance, but now it has already become a support zone. Dollar Swiss franc is exhibiting the exact same mirror level pattern, just the other way around. We previously had a support zone, now we have a resistance zone. I'm waiting for the price to drop. I'm opening trades, they're all in the red for now, but there's still time. British pound Australian dollar, I'll open a short position, local maximum. It's simple here, we're waiting for the price to fall. Australian dollar yen, also a local maximum. The price hit the zone and will most likely go lower. Australian dollar Swiss franc, I'll also open a short position, also a local maximum for us, and I'm also waiting for the price to fall. 8 trades are open. All 8 trades were in the red at this moment. Let's see what's happening. Australian dollar is in the red for now. Almost 2 minutes have passed. I won't do anything here for now. Let's see what happens next. British pound yen is slightly in the red. Euro Canadian dollar, the price also dropped and quite a bit. I'll need to open additional trades here. Euro dollar also crashed. Dollar Swiss franc. It's unclear for now, but everything else is a bit better, of course, than it could be. Australian dollar has already returned to the entry point. So British pound yen, I'm opening an additional trade. Euro Canadian dollar, I'm opening an additional trade. Euro dollar, well, I won't open one here because the price has already returned. Here on the Australian dollar, the price is also quite close to the entry point. I don't see any reason to open additional trades yet. Besides, I usually open trades in after 2 minutes have passed. It's a bit early now. Basically, yes, I'll duplicate the trades, Australian dollar yen and Australian dollar Swiss franc. British pound yen has flown very high. Most likely there will be losses here. The price suddenly decided to break the local maximum when I opened the trades. Well, that happens too. So never forget about risk management. By the way, I opened 12 trades. I invested $600. For my balance, that's quite a lot. Well, I'll hope that most of my trades will close in the black. I cannot state that for certain, just yet. But there's still time. The trades are starting to close. Aussie dollar, 5 seconds looks like it should close in the green, but the others are still totally unclear. British pound yen, the first trade is definitely closing in the red. 6 seconds, unlikely the price will drop in 6 seconds that sharply. Euro Canadian too, so far both of my forecasts are not panning out. Both trades are in the red, and that is very bad. Euro dollar, 15 seconds. It's unclear here for now. The price is right at the entry point. Well, even if this trade closes in the green, that's nice, of course. But it's not enough. I need more trades. Dollar Swiss franc, 10 seconds. So far the price is in the green too. But as for the other trades, I have no idea what to do yet. That's the 3rd trade in the green. I need to at least try to end this session in the green, but it's not certain. British pound Aussie. This trade will close in the red. 3 seconds left. Well, the price tried to go green, but it did not happen. Aussie yen. The first trade is also closing in the red. Just like the Aussie Swiss franc. The second trade might close in the green, but there is just not quite enough time remaining for the price to drop. British pound yen, 5 seconds, price is very close to the entry point, but the question is, will it be green? Yes, it's actually green, though I really thought it would be red. For the Euro Canadian, both forecasts were losses. Aussie yen is looking fine for the time being, and then we have the Aussie Swiss franc. The price has actually dropped. I think I had one trade open around here. It would be in the green now. And another trade was open somewhere here too. The price would be green now, so the forecasts are fine. The issue isn't the forecast, it's the timing. I'm struggling a bit to guess how much time it will take for the price to reverse. Well, here, yes, the price has started dropping steadily. But what does it matter if the trade's already closed in the red before that? These two trades will close in the green, of course, but then again, only 50% of the trades are profitable right now, and that didn't allow me to make a profit. Let's see what else we have. I still plan to recover the previous losses in this trading session. Let's see where something has changed. Aussie dollar. Let's take a bit of a risk and open a long position. The mirror resistance zone is now support. I'm expecting a steady price increase. Some momentum appeared, hope to profit from it right now. For the Euro Canadian, I'll open another trade since the price has dropped much lower. There's also a solid support zone. Regarding the Aussie Canadian, we'll open a position here too, trying to profit from this strong momentum. We have a clear zone where price reversals are visible. The main thing is that the momentum doesn't continue, otherwise it'll be really bad. Euro dollar, I'll also open a long position. We have a support zone right here. Dollar Swiss franc, I'll also open a short position. The price has gone up too. Last time we opened somewhere around here, trying to profit from the momentum now too. And Aussie dollar Swiss franc, I'll also open a long position. So that makes 6 trades open at the moment. Speeding up the video, and I will be back once the trades close. The trades are finally starting to close out now. It looks like the Australian dollar against the US dollar will definitely close in a profit with only 5 seconds left on the clock. At this very moment, the only losing trade is the Euro Canadian dollar. Unfortunately, this specific asset just isn't letting me earn any money yet. There are 10 seconds left for this one, and it is likely going to be a loss unless the price suddenly jumps up. If it does end as a loss, it will be the 3rd losing trade on this asset during the session, which means almost half of my total losses have come from this one single asset alone. The Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar are closing in profit and the others are fine. I entered at the very edge almost everywhere, like the euro versus the US dollar at the absolute lowest bottom. Price only went up from there and was never even at a loss. It was the same for the US dollar against the Swiss franc, where I entered at the very highest possible peak, so the trade will certainly be profitable. Well, I will definitely manage to recover all of the previous losses, and it looks like I will even make a little bit of extra profit on top of that. Australian dollar Swiss franc remains. 7 seconds, everything's great, plus another $94. As a result of this session, I ended up with 18 trades, 11 trades closed in profit, and 7 trades closed at a loss. 3 trades lost on the Euro Canadian, as I said. No profitable trades on the Euro Canadian today. Well, I've recovered all of my previous losses. If you're interested in entry points on a clean chart, be sure to take a look at the description links. Check them out. Improve your trading skills, and of course subscribe, like, and comment. Good luck trading, bye for now.